So yesterday, my new TheCenterCam arrived. It's a camera that hangs down from the top of your screen and allows you to actually look at the people that you talk to when you're making a recording. And this is primarily to see what's the big deal between the TheCenterCam and a regular webcam. What you're looking at now is being recorded from the TheCenterCam. Let me switch over and use a regular cam. So I'm now using my Nexigo cam. That's a stationary webcam mounted at the top of the screen, and hopefully there is a difference between the TheCenterCam, which protrudes down from the top of the screen and allows me to more clearly look directly at the camera. So you be the judge. Is it the first camera that you saw, which is the TheCenterCam, or is it this camera, which is stationary at the top of the screen? You be the judge. Let me know. Which one should I continue to use? By the way, right now is not a good time to judge my eyes. I just recently had surgery. They're not the prettiest, but they will eventually get better.